Warm greetings from TNV Academy. Today we are going to discuss about a Six Sigma Green Belt professional. What are their roles and responsibilities and their characteristics? So let's start. First of all, let us discuss about who is a Six Sigma Green Belt professional. While trained and certified in Six Sigma methodology, a Green Belt does not usually practice the methodology full-time. Green Belts can expect anywhere from 10 to 50% of their work time will be spent on Six Sigma projects, depending on their organization. They are usually the leaders of the process improvement teams and works under the supervision of Black Belts. Green Belts typically lead data collection efforts and validate the measurement system on their project teams. They also help improve team function and dynamics by using facilitation skills and leading brainstorming sessions. As ambassadors of promoting Six Sigma throughout the organization, they use graphics to show process improvement in highly visual and easily understood visual forms. Create a communication plan to convey accurate information about the project to leadership and other stakeholders. Promote data-driven solution rather than subjective conjectures. There is more time spent on the decision-making and strategy building components of key element in the Six Sigma project planning process. They have a deeper understanding of the overall process. They work with centralized project managers in delivering feedback and driving performance goals. A Six Sigma Green Belt analyzes and solves quality problems, coordinate with the data collection team and validate the measurement system. Usually works on projects within their own functional area, helps the team in improving their facilitation skills and develop project charter and SIPO supplier input process output diagrams of their projects. The goal of Green Belts is to translate the value of Six Sigma to the specific work environment and problems. Let us now understand the deliverables of a Green Belt. The key tasks of a Six Sigma Green Belt professional are project execution, team and project structuring, Six Sigma project results, and share best practices. I will now tell you that what are the benefits of being a Green Belt for organization and for self-career. Green Belts have authority in their respective processes and can get the work done effectively. This is a very critical aspect for the organization as it builds its process improvement structure within each process. For self-career, Green Belts receive exposure to senior management directly by virtue of the projects and get the opportunity to make a difference in the organization. We will now discuss about the various characteristics and qualities expected to be possessed by Six Sigma Green Belt individuals. Few of the qualities are: first one, perseverance. Green Belts must be change agents for their businesses regardless of the level that they influence. Implementing change is difficult and almost always involves both technical and cultural obstacles. Second one, a logical, analytical mind. An individual with a logical, analytical mind may be perceived as having the math skills is necessary to understand statistical analysis. While math ability is important, it may not be as crucial as being able to work a problem methodically and logically is more relevant. Third, a passion for improvement. Some candidates possesses the people skills and the analytical ability to do the job, but are unable to see the need for improvement in their organizations. They struggle in the Green Belt role because they do not see the need to question the current processes, nor do they dig below the surface to get to the root causes of problems and inefficiencies. Fourth, leadership skills, the ability to understand and apply Lean Six Sigma tools by itself is not enough. The Green Belt is a project manager and a team leader. Like all project leaders, they must manage time and resources, assign tasks, follow up and report results to stakeholders. They must understand how to motivate their team. Fifth, initiative. When green belts require prodding from their sponsors to move forward, energy is wasted. When green belts step up to the challenge and are proactive with facing problems, the team and the project's stakeholders are able to be excited and engaged. Now come to the last point, people skills. In the long run, the so-called soft skills end up being more important to green belt success than the hard skills of technical knowledge. Overcoming resistance to change is futile if a green belt cannot understand and address the human factor in a company. We have now come to the conclusion of today's session. We will be eagerly waiting for any of your questions on today's session. So please put them in the comment section of the video and we will be getting back to you with answer for sure. Till we meet next with an exciting new session, it's best wishes from TNV Academy.